Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my enchiladas verdes. But before we get started, do not forget to subscribe. For this recipe, you will be needing a pack of tortillas, 2 pounds of green tomatoes, 3 garlic cloves, 2 chiles serranos, 1 onion, a handful of cilantro, salt for tasting. For the garnish, you'll be needing sour cream and queso fresco. You will also be needing 2 chicken breasts, which is here in my pot, ready to be cooked. Now for my chicken, I have 2 quarts of water that I'm gonna pour in here, and I'm gonna be putting it on high heat. Now I'm gonna be adding a garlic clove, and I'm just gonna cut the top of the onion and put it with my chicken for flavoring. The chicken, the clove of garlic and onion, and then I'm going to be adding half of the salt to it, which is about a tablespoon. Now we're going to cover it and let them come into a boil, and then we'll be checking on our chicken. It's going to take about maybe 25 to 30 minutes, so we'll come back and check on it. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes. My chicken's almost ready. I'm gonna leave it for another 10-15 minutes and I'll check on it. Now, meanwhile on this side, I put my green tomatoes with water, and I'm gonna let them boil. It's gonna take about 10-15 minutes. So I'm gonna turn the stove into high heat and I'll come back to them. It's about 10 minutes already and my water is boiling. Now to that, I'm going to add my 2 chiles serranos and let them boil for 5. And I'm going to lower the heat. And now let me check on the chicken. So my chicken is ready. I'm going to turn it off. And I'm going to let it cool for 5 minutes. So my green tomatoes and my chiles are ready after 15 minutes. I am going to shred the chicken, and then we're going to start preparing the enchiladas. Alright, so I'm going to be adding to my blender my 2 garlic cloves, half of the onion, and I'm going to be adding my tomatillos and my serrano peppers. And then to this, I'm going to blend it. Make sure it's all mixed well. And then we're going to fry it. For this, we're going to add half of the handful of cilantro and half of the salt that we left from earlier. And we're going to blend. Now that everything's blended good, the hot pan, I'm going to leave it for just a while until it starts bubbling up. We'll turn my stove off. So my hot sauce is ready. I'm going to turn off the stove. And right here I have another pan with hot oil. It's half a cup of vegetable oil. And this is for my tortillas. I want to fry them a little bit, just so they could hold their shape while I dip them in the hot sauce, because I don't want them breaking down. And it's just 5 seconds on each side, and then remove. And I'm going to do this to all of them. Once I'm done with this, I will start dipping them in the salsa verde. See, once they bubble up, they're ready to remove. And that's so they won't lose their shape. I'm chopping up my onion for my garnish. And now I'm going to chop up my cilantro. So now we're going to add our tortilla to the salsa. chicken. Roll it. Some chicken. Roll that up. More salsa on the top. More sour cream. Gonna add our queso fresco. Gonna add our cilantro. And top it off with the onions. And that's it. That's how I make my enchiladas verdes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do it, let me know how it turns out. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.